Hey everyone, I'm John from Motionist.Studio, and today I'm excited to show you Phone Cam Controller, built for After Effects and Blender. It lets you drive the camera inside both apps using your iPhone. Move your phone, and the 3D camera moves with it. First, head to Motionist.Studio and download the version you need, After Effects or Blender. I've already downloaded both. You'll get a PKG installer for After Effects and a zip file for Blender. Let's install the PKG first. And hit close. Next, I'll install the companion app on my iPhone. So I'll grab my phone, open the App Store, and search for Phone Cam Controller for 8E. And hit download. Now, back on the desktop, I'll open After Effects. I've already set up a scene to demo the app. A few layers and a camera with no keyframe. With the plugin installed, I'll find it under Window, Phone Camera Controller. I'll open the panel and switch back to my phone. I open the app and it asks me to log in, create an account, or sign in with my Apple ID, which I'll do here. It asks permission to use the local Wi-Fi, so I'll allow that. And because the panel is open in After Effects, the app finds it as a host. I'll select the After Effects host. It detects one camera layer. I'll create a second one to control and name it Cam 2. Create and use. And there's my composition, live on the phone. I'll rotate it for a better view. And toggle streaming control on. Maybe zoom in a little. And now I can walk through my scene. Let's go through all the controls in the interface. This is world scale, which translates your movement into larger or smaller moves in After Effects. Essentially the scale of the world you're walking through. Next is the stabilizer, which helps you capture smoother, steadier shots. Then depth of field and its options, available in Classic 3D and After Effects, and you can adjust them here. There's the grid, and next to it the timeline. I can play through it, watch the animation, pause, or step back. The big white button is Record. Tap it once to drop a single keyframe at the current frame. Or press and hold to record your movement continuously. Then release to snout. Let me show you the result. On the Cam 2 layer, you can see position and orientation now have keyframes. It looks black because I'm still streaming. To reset my starting position, there's a calibrate button next to the streaming toggle. Tap it, and I'm back where I began. I also have credits, which set how much recording time I have. I can watch a short video ad for 10 more seconds, or buy the ad-free upgrade. And if I've purchased before, I can restore it. I'll tap Restore Purchase. It takes a moment, then confirms I own it. And recording becomes unlimited. On the right is the zoom slider. And that's it. If I tap back, on this screen I can see my account at the top, where I can sign out or delete the account. I'll sign out for now. Now, let's do the same thing in Blender. I'll close After Effects, don't save, and open Blender. To install the add-on in Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. And in this dropdown, choose Install from Disk. Open it and select the zip file you downloaded. Hit Install, and Phone Cam Controller is installed and ready to go. Close this, press In, and you'll see the tab here. For this one, I'll open a pre-made scene, a game room, to show how it works. In the Phone Cam Controller panel, I'll hit Start Server. And Blender is now ready to receive the signal. I'll pick up the phone, go back to Phone Cam Controller, and sign in again. This time, the host is Blender. I'll select Blender, choose the camera, turn my phone, and toggle Streams. Now I have the same features I had in After Effects, and even more. For example, I can change the rendering material and walk through the shaded scene. I can reverse pan, roll, or any axis I need, depending on the shot. And I can walk right through it, like this. That created just a single keyframe. I'll double tap, amount of credit, so I'll get more and watch an ad to top up my recording time. Then I'll go back, and sign up. And that's how professional directors block a scene. Instead of stiff, robotic moves, you can actually direct your shots inside After Effects and Blender. If you need any help or run into any issue with the app, just email John at Motionist.Studio. Thanks for watching.